Thank you for tuning into our channel. Today, we're comparing two popular air fryers side by side, so you can decide which one is right for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel before you go. Both air fryers use high-powered cooking technology to cook food more efficiently than traditional frying methods. Product A's patented linear T technology adjusts the temperature and power every second for better results. Meanwhile, Product B uses 360 degrees rapid air circulation technology and Thermo IQ technology to prevent burning and ensure evenly cooked meals. If you're looking for convenience, both products offer pre-programmed presets that include cooking methods like grilling, baking, roasting, and more. Product A, the Nuwave Brio air fryer, has 100 pre-programmed menu presets and an additional 50 memory slots for your own recipes. Meanwhile, Product B, the air fryer, features 9 preset modes including fries, chicken, steak, and dessert. Product A boasts a multi-layer stainless steel rack, making it perfect for cooking for large families or meal prepping. On the other hand, Product B's removable non-stick basket is dishwasher safe and can fit up to 4 quarts of food, serving up to 2 to 4 people. If you're short on counter space, Product B may be the better choice as its more compact design leaves more room for other appliances. Both air fryers provide a healthier alternative to traditional frying by using superheated air to cook crispy, delicious fried foods without added fats or calories. Both products are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, Product A's ultra non-stick air circulation riser makes it easier for grilling and air frying, while Product B's square design basket provides more cooking footprint and flexibility. Both products are equally priced at $99 USD, making it a tie in this category. Thanks for watching our comparison of the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the air fryer. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe for more product reviews from our channel.